Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply for the Z credit card. So here's the thing. The Z credit card doesn't work like traditional bank credit cards. You can't just apply instantly and expect approval. Right now, it runs on a waitlist and invitation system. That means your first step is to go to the official Z website or download the app and sign up for the waitlist using your basic details like your name, email, and mobile number. Once you are on the waitlist, you'll have to wait for an exclusive invite code. Zed will send this through email or SMS when it's your turn. Some people get invited within a few months, while others wait longer depending on demand. If you know someone who already has a card, using their referral link might help you move up faster. Now, when you finally receive your invite code, you want to open the app, enter the code, and complete your official application. You'll need to provide additional personal details and usually link a bank account for income and activity verification. This helps them assess your eligibility and decide your credit limit. Some users say linking active digital bank accounts can improve your chances of approval. After submitting everything, it's just a waiting game. Approvals can happen within days, and once you're approved, you can immediately use your card or your virtual card features while waiting for your physical card to be delivered. Just keep in mind that since Z is still rolling out in phases, not everyone gets invited right away, so patient is the key. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.